Are you looking to learn a new language, but you're daunted about how you'll go about remembering all the new words, phrases, and pronunciations? Well, we can help. We'll show you a way to remember new words, phrases, and expressions, and then store them in your mind in a way that you can retrieve them when they're needed. Magic Memory Movies will teach you a series of unique techniques that will enable you to recall vast amounts of information quickly and efficiently. Our online video course shows you step by step a series of innovative techniques which will turn the new language into a series of memorable movie scenes that you'll be able to store in your mind. You'll discover how to rerun these movies in your imagination as and when you need them to unlock the words and even the pronunciation of your new language. Discover more at magicmemorymovies.com.